northeast, 14 miles an hour. Regional observations, Salisbury, cloudy, and 42. Pawtuxet River, cloudy, and 43. Ocean City, sunny, and 45. Wind northeast, 12 miles an hour.
They tested at like 11:34 the other day, so. Yes! There they go.
This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. The 11 a.m. area weather observations. At Wallops Island, mostly sunny.
Woo! My first ever Wakefield test!